Hey guys, I want to show you one of the coolest Easter eggs so far on Black Ops 4 Zombies. This is unclassified, and this was found by the Starter Pack on YouTube. Huge shout out to him. I'll have his YouTube channel linked down in the description. You can do this Easter egg on round 1, and you want to do this on round 1 because it will give you 5,500 points. And all you have to do is come to this corner right here. You just need to open 2 doors and then hold X or square on this door. I did this on the normal classic mode, and I haven't tried it on casual or with the mutations. It may not work. Once you hold X or square, you're gonna hear knocking, and then you're gonna hear a guy talking, and I believe this is the scientist that's talking. After you knock the first time, he's gonna say something, and then he's gonna stop. You need to hold X or square again, you're gonna knock again, he's gonna say some more stuff. You keep repeating this until you hear Samantha in her demonic voice scream at you to leave him alone. And after that, she's gonna spawn in 40 Nova Crawlers. They're moving very slow and they're easy to kill, and just knife them. That way they don't explode on you. And after you kill them, they do drop power-ups, and you can get over 5,500 points by doing this. I'm gonna play the entire thing so you can hear all of the audio clips and listen to Samantha screaming at you, and then see all the Nova Crawlers spawning in.
Whatever it is, it can wait. I specifically requested that I not be disturbed under any circumstances. This meeting is of paramount importance, and I must ensure every detail is planned to perfection. I'm sorry. Did I not make myself crystal clear? This meeting will literally, and I mean literally, change the course of history. Perhaps you're familiar with the term mutually assured destruction. Well, this meeting aims to render that concept obsolete. So I ask you nicely, leave me be! Why are you so damned persistent? What on earth could possibly be more important than my work? No, I know what it is. If this is about the broken server, we are aware of the issue, and we will have it fixed by Tuesday. So if there's nothing else, please, leave me in peace. Good heavens, man! Have you no reason? Are you deaf? Can you not comprehend the importance of my work? This isn't just America's fight, it is the world's fight. Wait a minute. Purnell, is that you? Damn it, Purnell, if you don't leave me alone, I will have you removed from Groom Lake. I don't give a damn about what the company has to say about it. You know better than to bother me at this hour. Unbelievable.
Son, leave him alone!
You got slime on Nikolai's clothes! Why stupid Americans make these? Did they not learn from stupid Germans? PT5 is ready. Hell pig in for shocking surprise.
Bonus points!
We make bonus pay. love you, Nikolai.
Thank you for watching Glitching Queen's video. Hoorah!